Try and do the put request, and then luckily for now, the first version is going to be very simple. First of all, just like with the post request, we need to get a customer BO in here, and let's just call it cust, just like we did earlier. So this is just the same as the post request. Let me try and scroll to the post request up here, and you'll see they are exactly the same. We're sending in a from body with the cust, right? So no difference there. Then we need to, of course, use the facades customer service, and luckily the customer service already have an update request ready for us. We can just send in this cust 2 right away. There we go. We're done. We're done. Let's try and test this, because we'll probably see an error, but who cares? I'm going to launch this, and while I launch it, I just want to show you the update function once again. So I'll just jump into this guy, go to definition, and the update function inside the customer service, and from there I'll jump into the actual implementation. Shush now, I'm trying to show people stuff. Go away. There we go. So jumping into the actual service right here, and here we have the update function. And remember, that was where we used the unit of work. We grabbed the actual customer from the database, and then we updated him and completed the work. That's all we did. But again, this is hidden. It's hidden in the service. That's a cool thing. I can use this in anything, and it's hidden inside the service, so I don't have to worry in the UI how we do this. I just have to say, figure this out for me, and somebody else build it. In this case, it's me, but somebody else could have built this without me even knowing how they're doing it, because I just want to use the function of updating inside the service. That's the power of this. Okay, so this tool is now running. Let's jump into Postman and just try and get all customers again. There we go. I want to update this guy. So I'll just grab the entire object right here, everything in here, and I'll change this from a GET request into a PUT request. And then I'll go into the body right here, and I'm just pasting this guy in, the entire object right here. Look how similar it is to now try and test this, because I already have some pre-built data to work with. Okay, so in here, you have to, for now, keep the ID in here. You actually have to keep it always, but right now, it's just a rule, or else you'll have a crash in your program. So that has to stay. The first name, let's just change that into Billy, Bobby, Booby, Baba, Bee, Boo, 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 Bob, Boo, Boo. There we go. Huge name. The last thing I need to do before I actually send this is a slash, and then I have to put in the ID up here, because that's actually the request we required if I look at the code. Remember, if I jump back to the controller, it says you need to send an ID here, meaning something like this, to actually request or call this actual action right here. So that's why we need to put in the ID here. Going back, so I've now created a put request, put in customers, slash the ID I want to change, added the ID down here, and the actual update I want down here, and all the other information that I want to keep as it is. Now, the update is a large thing, so we'll dive more into the next couple of lessons. I just want to get the update up and running, and we're going to start improving on it in the next couple of lessons. Let's try and do the send here and see if it actually works. I'll do a send. I get nothing back. Again, we're not returning any status codes, so it's just saying everything probably went well. The last thing I need to do is do another GET request, and let's just get directly on last right here, the single customer. And now he's called Billy Booby Boo. Billy Booby Boo for the full name. We're done. Congratulations, you just made the PUT request work. Now let's make it work even better later on. See you next time.